Hi everyone, this is Char with Ariana Stark. This is another pick a card reading. In today's reading, we will cover the topic messages and blessings coming in from your angels for the week starting from 10th to 16th May 2021. These are 5 messages from your angels, so please pay attention because they are going to be relevant for this week. Like always, we have 2 piles here. This is pile A, which is the clear quartz, and this is pile B, which is the rose quartz. Viewers, you can also pause the video and decide intuitively which pile you are being drawn to. Incidentally, we also have the timestamp given in the description box, so in case you want to proceed directly to your reading, you can do just that. Those of you who picked pile A, which is the clear quartz, certainly you can use the clear quartz to clear your energies or to increase your vibration. Besides, it will make you quite positive and radiant as well. It can also help you with healing with the crown chakra specifically. I'll keep this aside for now. The first card in your reading, pile A, is the Queen of Cups. Certainly you're coming across as someone who's quite emotional and intuitive. I think you're also very creative. Work-wise, I think you're going to be at your creative best or imaginative best. Besides, I think people will be impressed. Especially someone from the opposite sex whom you come across on account of work could be impressed with the way you speak or the way you articulate your thoughts. I think pile A, you should also be careful because there could be somebody who could stir up trouble in your life. Possibly there could be a feminine figure or somebody who is quite devious. I think you need to keep your ego aside and you need to work things over with this person. Maybe you feel that this person is trying to undermine your position, whether at work or in the home front. So you need to be mindful of that. Incidentally, the next card in this reading is Swan Loyalty. Pile A, you desire somebody who's quite loyal, or maybe you're going to be embodying those qualities this week. The swan is also a symbol of purity, beauty. It's quite a graceful bird and quite elegant as well. So maybe like the Queen of Cups, you're coming across as someone who's quite elegant and refined. Perhaps pile A, you're looking for a partner who's going to be quite faithful and loyal to you because the swan is a bird which mates for life. I think this card clearly outlines eternal love of oneness between two beings. Maybe in relationships, pile A, you needn't be hesitant. Maybe there's someone who has stirred romantic feelings in your heart, but then you may push this person aside because you have those reservations, or maybe there are family ties which bind you, or there's pressure from your family. That is why you think that this relationship may not work out. But then this person is going to clearly cast a spell on your heart or on your soul. Incidentally, from the romance angels, we have this card calling in your soulmate. Like I said, pile A, there's going to be somebody who is going to touch your heart. So this person could be a soulmate. You could be having a soul pact with this person. Certainly, this is also going to help you evolve spiritually. I think you are being asked to call your romantic soulmate into your life. Maybe you should look up to the heavens because your angels are sending a soulmate for you this week. Nevertheless, pile A, you do have your fair share of admirers. I think they want to communicate with you. Like I said, there's a huge possibility that there could be a work-related romance in the offing for you. Maybe there's a past life connection with this person. That is why you're crossing paths again. But I think one of you may not be quite aware that this is a past life connection. Maybe as time goes by, you will realize that this is somebody with whom you have shared a past life with. The next card in this reading is parental care. Possibly pile A, you have elderly parents at home. That is why you are being asked to look into their needs. Maybe they are indisposed. It's a role reversal of sorts because there was a time when your parents have taken care of you and now it's the time to take care of your folks. Perhaps this also heralds a time of greater lifestyle change for you. Sometimes, your aging parents could also leave you worried. Maybe you should seek support from professionals. Maybe you need healthcare assistance as well. Some of you may also need to heal your relationship with your parents. Even if you're married, pile A, your in-laws may be unwell. That is why you need to look into their needs this week. Archangel Raphael is also asking you to pay attention to the messages that your body is conveying this week. Maybe there's a part of you which requires care and attention. Ideally, I think you should listen to your thoughts and feelings. Maybe you should respect your body or talk honestly with your soul. Heal those parts of your body. From Lenormand, we have this card, woman. Possibly this could be the female figure because we did start this reading with the Queen of Cups here. So again, this woman is going to be there whether at home or in your professional life. Maybe this woman is also you because you're going to be somebody who's quite creative. And if you look carefully, this person or this lady here, she is stitching something or she is sewing. Incidentally, this woman is also asking you to gain knowledge because we do have the last card in your reading which talks about a book. Maybe you should read up or you should research. Perhaps if you are a student, your mother could be the one who could ask you to work that much harder or study harder. This lady could be like a guide for you. I think finally you should also follow your intuition because the feminine energy is one which talks about our intuitive side. Some of you could also be receiving a book as a gift or you could be spending time in the library. You know it's never too late to learn. Besides, you know, when the student is ready, then the teacher appears. So possibly there's going to be a teacher-like figure this week in your life. Incidentally, health concerns could also revolve around your stomach or maybe even your brain. So you need to be careful of that. Or for some of you could also imply the reproductive system. All in all, Pile, this week you need to follow your intuition, your sixth sense. Besides, you have picked up the clear quartz. So certainly this is going to be a time when you will be hearing messages from your angels in the form of dreams or visions. I hope, Pile, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next pick Pile B, which is the rose quartz here. Certainly this week between 10th to 16th May 2021, you're being called upon to harmonize your relationships. Maybe you need to work on your relationship this week. You need to open your heart chakra, be more receptive or mindful of the feelings of others. And this could help you heal as well. I'll keep this aside for now. The first card in your reading, Pile B, is the Magician. Certainly you can seek divine intervention this week or you're being asked to look up to the heavens for guidance. You know it's all about divine timing. And we did clarify the Magician, so we do have Six of Wands. Whatever it is, you're going to come up trumps. You're going to be someone who's quite attractive and radiant. You're somebody who is quite creative as well because you know the Wands represents the creative energy or the creative side of us. Possibly, Pile B, you're going to be in the spotlight. The arc lights are going to be on you. Communication is also going to increase or maybe you're going to be commuting great distances. Incidentally, I'm also being asked to let you know that in financial transactions, you need to be very careful. Perhaps you should read between the lines. Maybe you could be a bit perturbed because even though money comes in this week, you may feel as though your pockets aren't too deep. Many of you will also be preoccupied on account of technical work, so you need to focus that much harder to avoid mistakes because that would mean that you would have to redo the tasks. The next card in this reading is the Urn, mourning. Possibly this is going to herald a period of change. You may be in grief or in mourning. You could part from someone this week, but then this is also a natural cycle of life. You cannot hold on to somebody who is no longer there. You know, parting or separation is always going to be difficult for any person. You have to realize that birth and regeneration is an ongoing process. Sometimes, you know, crying can help lighten our burdens as well. That is why I think, Pile B, you should let go of things which are no longer of value to you, as it could only create more distress at the soul level. Incidentally, from the Romance Angel deck, we have this card, You Deserve Love, You're Lovable. This is interesting because you did pick up the rose quartz and it talks about your relationships. I think your angels are cheering you on in your quest for great love by letting you know that you deserve it. Like I said, you're coming across as someone quite creative and attractive, someone who has that attitude to get things done. In case you're crushing on someone, I think probably you want this person to acknowledge you. Maybe he is aware of your talents. Maybe you also feel that you share a past life connection with this person, but then you also feel that it's all about divine timing because Magician card is the first card in your reading. Those of you who are already in a romantic connection, I think your darling will reaffirm his love for you this week. Maybe you're going to discuss professional lives. Basically, Palbi, you should not neglect your relationships. Maybe you could disregard this person. Ideally, I think you should find time for each other, exchange text messages, or have a frank discussion with this person about commitment. For some singles, it's also possible that you could fear commitment, even if there are prospective suitors. Maybe you feel that your pockets aren't too deep. So, financial constraints could also mean that you want to refrain yourself from getting into a relationship. From the Butterfly Oracle deck, we have this card, self-care. Sometimes you need to step back, retreat, spend time in your shell or cocoon. Maybe you need a break to look after yourself in a way that helps you to promote your own well-being, your own happiness. I think if you are going to be quite rested, then you will feel energized as well. Perhaps you should focus on your diet as well, or you need to detox. Like I said, you need to simplify your life, you need to heal your relationships, as that could mean that you are going to be in control of your life. Sometimes, some people could accuse you of meddlesome behavior this week, so you should be mindful of that. Incidentally, Archangel Raphael is also asking you to accept the situation because we have this card, acceptance. Maybe there's an unsettling situation, but then Archangel Raphael is asking you that you cannot do anything more than that. You need to understand that what has happened for your highest good. But acceptance doesn't mean that you like what's going on, but it means that you're willing to come to peace with whatever is happening in your life. Certainly, if you are going to hang in there, then things will start to look up. Maybe you can also expect a miracle. Incidentally, Palbi, the last card in your reading is Lily from Lenormand. Possibly you're dealing with an older person here, maybe your father or your father figure, whether at work or in the home life. Perhaps you need to resolve issues with your father. By at the end of the week, you may feel calm or at peace. Maybe your problems are going to be resolved and you will enjoy the peace and quiet. Like they say, every cloud has a silver lining. There's always a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. So you need to hang in there and accept everything that life offers this week with grace. I hope Palbi you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye till the next time.